What's up, Liberty Gang? So today I am back with another video, and if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Please hit the subscribe button down below so we can get into this video. So you guys, as you all can tell by the title, today basically I will be showing you how I achieve this twist out look. It's like a twist out, I think. Yeah, it's a twist out. So yeah, I'm just going to show you all what products I use and my technique and things like that. It's probably going to be like a voiceover. The only part that's not going to be a voiceover is like this part, which is the intro and da 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 da. So yeah, you guys, I hope y'all enjoy it. I love you all.
So as you can tell, I'm in the shower right now, and basically what I'll be doing is wetting up my hair. And as y'all all can see, I really don't like doing it this way because I have never kind of like recorded and tried to wet up my hair at the same time, but I really can't stand the water getting in my face, but I'm just doing the best way I can. So basically the first step is you're going to make sure that your hair is damped. So you're going to make sure your hair is damped all around because natural hair works way better when your hair is wet and you're trying to style it. So make sure every strand is damp. So now I'm finally out the shower and I'm basically about to take my hair down. As you can see, my color is a little popping and my hair is kind of damp, but I'm going to go back and re-wet it. So basically now all I'm about to do is section my hair off so I can start the whole process. And yeah, I'm just finished sectioning it off because when you do it in sections, it is way more helpful for you. So I'm just going to put my hair up in a pineapple now. Put your hair in a pineapple or a bun, but I'm just going to put it in a bun or a pineapple because it's way more convenient to me and it gets the hair out the way. So now that I put my hair in a pineapple or a bun, I'm going to take my Blue Magic Coconut Oil hair conditioner. And this is how it looks. It's just clear. I used to use it back when I was younger. And I'm going to take a little amount, put it in my hand, rub it together like so. And then I'm going to put it on my hair. This is just to add moisture to my strands because I just dyed it. So yeah. Apologize if I look mad or upset. I'm not mad or upset. It's just the nighttime and I'm tired. So on to the next step. Basically, I'm about to take my Denman brush and try to detangle my hair. As you can see, my hair is kind of a little bit rough. But now I'm about to take my Millennium's Leave-In Conditioner. It smells so good, you guys. And all I have to do is take like a little amount. Then I'm going to rub it on my hands and put it in my hair. My hair absolutely loves this, and this was my first time ever trying this product out, and it smells so amazing, you guys. Like so amazing. And it defines my curls so well. It made my curls feel so amazing and soft and moisturized. So then I'm going to take my Denman brush again and re-detangle it because my hair will get back tangled like in a matter of seconds. So this is, what I have to do. And it's a little, I don't know what you call it, but I just see those videos on Instagram and I know people really love them. So the next product I'm going to use is my Millennium Coil Sculpting Custard. And this stuff right here is so amazing. All I had to do is take like a small amount and rub it together and put it on my curls, and my curls absolutely love these two products. Like my curls were so defined, they smelled so good, and my hair just felt so amazing. Like, oh, it smells so great. Like, y'all just don't know. And as y'all can see, these products really have defined my curls. Like, look at them. They look so moisturized and so healthy. So now I'm about to part my hair again into sections. And I'm basically just going to clip this because my hair does not like to stay up at all. So I'm just going to clip it. And then I'm going to detangle this part again. And then I'm going to start my twist out process. So basically, I'm going to split two strands up and just start twisting. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain it, but you all really can basically see what I'm doing. And I basically just twist it until it's like, until you really can't twist no more. But so as you're twisting, make sure it's kind of tight so your curls won't unloosen. And at the end of twisting it, I like to do like this little spirally thing you'll see, as you can see now. And then I just like to, You look at it. Then I take a cotton t-shirt to get the excess water out because my hair takes a while to dry. So now I'm taking my second part down, I'm unraveling it, and then I'm just going to detangle it once again and start the twisting process over. And I don't really like to take big chunks of hair because I've noticed when you do it with big chunks of hair, the twist out either doesn't dry or it doesn't come out as well as I want it to. So I figured out if I do it in more so smaller sections like I am right here, then my hair turns out way better than as doing it in bigger sections. And it may take a little longer, but I mean that's fine as long as my hair turns out the way I want it to. That's all that matters. You guys, so I will not be filming the whole process of me actually twisting my hair. I just wanted to show you all the products that I use and the technique that I use, so you all will know how I achieve this look. So I'll be back in a couple seconds, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I'm back and I already put the coconut oil on, and I've also put in the leave-in conditioner. I'm putting in the leave-in conditioner right now, actually, as you can see. And this is the last section that I'll have to do. So I'm just showing you guys again, just in case the first time that I did it, it wasn't as clear. So this should be a little bit more clear. So basically, I'm detangling my curls now, again, with the leave-in in. And wow, that looks crazy, huh? I know, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is take the cold custard. And I'm just going to put it all on my curls, even the edges, because you know the edges gotta look good too. And I'm going to finger detangle it a little bit, and then I'm going to take my dimming brush and just brush it out once again. And look, it really makes a difference, you guys. Like, it really makes a difference. So now I'm going to go through with my hands a little bit because this is kind of a bigger part. And I want to make sure everything is detangled and has enough product on it. So now I'm about to split it up into sections again because, like I said, this is a way bigger section. And I want to make sure everything turns out right and nice, just like the rest of my head will. So this is a smaller part, but I'm just going to detangle it and twist it the best way I can. And smaller sections are a little bit harder to twist, but it just takes patience and time. And sometimes you do have to start over the section, but it's fine as long as the hair turns out the way you want it to. That's all that really matters. And y'all, I really do apologize for looking so mad or rude because it looks like something is wrong with me, but I promise you it's not. It's like probably like 11, 12, or 1 a.m. at night. And I'm very tired, and you know, I just don't want to go to sleep with wet hair, and I just don't want to go to sleep without doing my hair because tomorrow is New Year's, so I want my hair to look right for New Year's because it's like a new year, a new hair color, and this is a new twist out hair tutorial that has never been on my channel before, but now it will be. So yeah, you guys, I'm really tired and I'm trying to stay up because like I've been doing my hair for a very long time, but it is cool, you guys. It is so cool. So I'm getting done with one, and while I'm about to start on my last one, I've noticed that one of my twists are like just don't look right at all. So as you can see, I basically unraveled it and I'm about to restart this twist. Like I said, if you're not patient with it and if you're not taking your time, then your twist will end up looking kind of weird. And if it looks weird or funny looking, all you have to do is take it down and just retwist it over, because if you don't, that little section will look weird while the rest of your hair looks bomb. So that's why I say you have to be calm, be patient, and if one is messed up, just redo it over. So you won't be frustrated in the morning when you have one piece that looks so raggedy and the rest looks so amazing. So yeah, just be mindful of it and, you know, just glimpse around your head to make sure that everything is looking fine. So you guys, like I said, just take a glimpse, and now I'm finally on my last either two or last twist. I'm not sure if this is two of them. Yeah, I'm guessing it's two. I see it's two now. So I'm finally on my second to last twist, and I am almost officially done, you guys. Like, y'all just don't know. My arms are tired. This process takes a while, but I promise you it's worth it. Keep going. You're strong. I know you can do this. And yeah, see how fast I got done with that in a matter of time? Because once you start and you get the swing of how it goes, you will be done in a matter of no time. Like, I guess y'all can see, this is my last twist. My last twist. Out of all of these twists in my head, this is my last twist, and I am very happy about that. And boom, just like that, you guys, I am done. So basically, I'm about to pin some of my twist up because I don't want wet hair on my face, because I just do not like when wet hair is on my face with product in it, because I tend to break out. But I'm about to dry it soon anyways, and I'm probably going to be on my phone anyway, so yeah. So basically, I'm about to give y'all a little preview of how it look, and I really could just wear this out like how it is now, but I'm not. I'm just gonna let it dry, you guys. So this is how my twist came out. They look so juicy and nice. So now I'm basically about to just sit under the dryer for some hours. So I'm basically about to show you all a brief video of how my hair turned out the next day. Basically what I just did was pick it out, and I really hope that this video helped you all.
Thank you all so much for watching, Dip Gang. I love you so much. If you're not subscribed, like, I know you want to subscribe now, so go on ahead and subscribe like right now. But thank you all so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also share too. And happy New Year's, you guys. Look forward to a lot of more hair tutorials this year. And like, I just want everybody natural hair to grow slow, stuff like that. So just look forward to all of my upcoming natural hair tutorials, and I love y'all, Dip Gang. See you later.